Good morning, my beautiful viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're mowing the farmhouse yard with the Toro Z Master. The grass is thick, green, and healthy, and even after watching a recent video comparing mowing high versus mowing low, I've decided to stick with what has always worked for me. For my property, mowing high continues to be the best choice. As always, grab a cup of coffee, climb aboard the mower with me, and let's spend some time together enjoying another beautiful day in the country. As you can see, we're keeping the deck set high. There are several advantages to mowing this way. Taller grass shades the soil, helps retain moisture during the hot summer months, and encourages deeper root growth. In my experience, grass cut too short struggles during periods of heat and drought. When I look across this yard and see how thick and green it has become, I know the higher cut is paying off. The farmhouse lawn has never looked better. While mowing today, I took a close look at the nut sedge that has been giving me trouble this summer. I'm happy to report that the treatment is working exactly as planned. The plants are beginning to yellow and die back, which tells me the application is doing its job. Sometimes patience is the hardest part of lawn care, but good results take time. As I ride around this old farmhouse, my mind naturally drifts back through the years and all the experiences that shaped who I am today. Let's do a little storytelling. I grew up in a large family with 7 children, 5 boys and 2 girls, and I landed somewhere in the middle. Being in the middle gave me a unique perspective. I was young enough to watch my older brothers and sisters and learn from their successes and mistakes, but old enough to help guide the younger children. My parents expected us to work. There were chores to do, grass to mow, things to repair, and responsibilities to handle. Looking back, I realized that those early years taught me the value of hard work and personal responsibility. That work ethic has stayed with me my entire life. My father traveled the world, and he took his family with him. Growing up overseas exposed me to people from all walks of life and from every corner of the United States. Long before I realized it, those experiences were shaping my understanding of different cultures and different ways of thinking. As a child, I didn't fully appreciate how unique that upbringing was, but as an adult, I understand how much it broadened my perspective. After my childhood came 6 years in the Army. The military molded me even further. Discipline was the foundation of everything we did. Discipline isn't just about following orders. It's about commitment, responsibility, teamwork, and perseverance. The Army exposed me to people from every background imaginable. We came from different cities, different states, and different walks of life, but we all had one mission and one purpose. And there isn't enough time in today's video to explain everything the military taught me, but I can honestly say those 6 years played a major role in shaping who I am today. By the age of 24, I found myself working at a women's prison in Ohio. Believe it or not, I truly enjoyed that job because I learned a tremendous amount about people. One thing I have always believed is that every inmate deserves to be treated with dignity and respect. I didn't see them simply as inmates. I saw them as human beings who had made mistakes and still deserved compassion. Many of the women spoke in ways that were unfamiliar to me at first. and over time I learned how they communicated and how to build trust with them. Once that trust was established, mutual respect followed. That experience taught me one of the most important lessons of my life. People respond when they feel heard, respected, and understood. It was a lesson I carried with me into every job afterward. Later I went to work for Honda because I was already accustomed to hard work and long hours. Overtime didn't scare me. I put in the hours, learned everything I could, and eventually earned promotions that led me to become a production coordinator over export shipping. Managing people taught me another valuable lesson. A successful team isn't built by one person doing everything. It's built by creating an environment where everyone works together toward a common goal. I learned how to motivate people, solve problems, and build a crew that took pride in their accomplishments. Those skills would eventually help me when I opened my own auto repair business. Looking back now, I realize that every chapter of my life contributed something important. Growing up in a large family taught me responsibility. Traveling the world taught me acceptance and understanding. The Army taught me discipline. Working in corrections taught me compassion. Honda taught me leadership. And all those experiences have shaped how I run my business and how I interact with people today. As I mow around this old farmhouse, I realize that our lives are a lot like these lawns. Year after year, we keep working, growing, and improving. Every challenge leaves its mark, but every lesson makes us stronger. Well, my beautiful viewers, that's going to wrap up another day of mowing at the farmhouse with the Toro Z Master. I hope you enjoyed today's ride and the stories from my life journey. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share what experiences helped shape the person you became. As always, thank you for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.